Hey guys, how are you? I hope that you guys are doing well. So, as you all know, AFCAT is approaching. It's hardly like 10 to 15 days left for AFCAT examination, and this is a time where you have to, again, like you are not lacking any sort of motivation right now. But this video is like for those people who are who are struggling with PDFs and you want some sort of help, any sort of help if you want. Just want to let you know that I am here. If you want any sort of doubt, you can ask me, or if you have any doubt regarding regarding the Ashish and Karthik Kadam's video, if you have any sort of, if you are facing any sort of issue, then I just want to tell you that I'm here. You just have to comment. I'll probably talk to you also. We can have any sort of help which you want from my side. If you think I can help, then definitely you can comment and you can ask any sort of doubt, guys. I'm open for you all, guys. And yeah, I just want to keep that door open for any one of you. If you stuck in between, like for example at this moment, how to revise is a very good question for a lot of people, right? So like how to revise, because you have taken 2 months for mathematics. No, in the short span of time, in 10 days, you definitely will not be able to solve, like practice all that 2 months ka questions, right? So that's why there is a way how you revise some sort of things, so that you could not forget things when you are giving examinations. So you should be knowing all those kind of stuffs. So if you want any sort of help, let it be any help, like how to approach this last 10 days, because uh, this is a time where you have to put in your every efforts. You have to put your pedal, like you want to accelerate just at this moment, so that you can boost up your marks. And also, guys, this is a time where you can score, like you can think of scoring 200, because if you have done a proper way preparation, then I like you can assume that, like, why assume, you will definitely clear your cutoffs. Okay, so that much of confidence you will have at this time. But you have to push yourself till 200. Now how to push yourself till 200 is a heck of a task. Okay, so for that you need some smart kind of preparation. For that you need any sort of help, I am here, just a comment away. Okay, if it's a good question, then I'm also open for a call or a discussion. Even we can arrange Zoom session also if you want. Just that what I want from you is आपका एग्जाम क्लियर होना चाहिए. That's it. All right. So this video is only for that, and also we are coming up with important stuffs daily, on a daily basis. जैसे कल मैंने डाला था मैथ्स के फॉर्मूलेस का. ओके, कार्तिक कदम का वीडियो देखो, AFCAT कैसे क्लियर किया था. आशीष का वीडियो देखो, उसने कैसे क्लियर किया था. लर्न फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंसेस. लाइक I always say this, life is too short to experience everything. Rather go for someone else's experience and try to learn from them. Okay, like Ashish comes from a bio background. He went on to clear AFCAT with 193 marks, also getting recommended. Karthik Kadam was a working candidate. Okay, he went on to clear his AFCAT examination, also getting recommended. Okay, so these are the guys who are a perfect example for all those guys who think that they cannot solve anything, or they cannot clear any this sort of examination. All right, so do not lose your hope. Do not lose your motivation. This is a time when you have to gain momentum, when you increase your confidence. All right, do not mess up things. If you have any doubt, you know where to find me. All right, so also follow winners guide के Instagram and YouTube channel को. ठीक है, I'm coming up with daily videos with the beneficial videos. Okay, you'll get to know a lot of stuffs also. That's it from my side. I'll meet you. I'm hoping that I'll talk to you more and more. Okay, so I'll take your leave. Bye bye.